Okay, guys, my friends still hate me. But today, we're playing Stilled Brain Rot. But today, I'm becoming a bird, because they hate me. So today, I'm going to be trolling my friends again. We hate Spider-Man so much. Remember what he did in the last video? Yes. Well, let's just go. Okay, guys, we already made it to the Skins Clothes Maker. Let's choose what I want. What about this traumatized bird? No, let's about this big fat bird. Or like this red bird. Okay, I'm choosing the traumatized bird. Okay, we already made it back to Stilled Brain Rot. Tweet, 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 tweet. Dog, what did you do to that tower? What the heck did you do? You're gonna be in so much trouble. Tweet. Why'd you do that, bird? Wait, where's the bird? Tweet, tweet, tweet. I'm not a traumatized bird. I'm a pink bird. Well, guys, you can see that's a traumatized bird. But it don't look like one, because it looks like it can fly. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Show me your fly moves. Tweet, tweet. He is a traumatized bird. Okay, guys, this troll is working. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, guys, today Okay. Since this is our very first time. Okay, my base is right here. My base is over here. My base talking about something with me. Okay, my base is in here. My base. Now, I'm locking mine. Me too, I'm locking mine. Now, I'm gonna let mine stay unlocked, okay? But, well, in 3, 2, 1, some brain rots are coming out. Let me go get some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I cannot believe I got Sophagus Turno, Tung Tung Sahur, Traleo Trala, Ballerina Cappuccina, and Orcalela Orcala. Okay, there's some spray rots, okay? Well, today I'm just gonna be collecting brain rots. I'm gonna be collecting 10 of them. Tung Tung Sahur, Traleo Trala, a golden Saturno Savaka, a golden Berber Patapim, a golden Ballerina Cappuccina, a zombie Tung Tung Sahur, and a Fruly Frula, a magical Fruly Frula, and that's all I'm gonna get. Let me go back to my base. Well, I'm gonna go be collecting some more. I'm gonna collect 20. Okay, I'm gonna be collecting some more. Well, finally, I can steal some of her brain rots. I'm gonna get the golden Sophaca Saturno to Orcalella Orcala, the Ballerina Cappuccina, the golden Tung Tung Sahur. Oh my god, I actually did it. Now her brain rots are mine. Okay, I just got that collected some more. Wait, some of my brain rots went missing. Hey, some of my brain rots went missing. I haven't collected brain rots yet. I'm gonna get Ballerina Cappuccino, and I'm gonna get a evil Tung Tung Sahur, a zombie Berber Patapim, a Berber Patapim, Orcolella Orcola, a golden Orcolella Orcola, and I'm gonna get a golden Fruly Frula, and I'm gonna get the magical Ballerina Cappuccino. That's all I'm gonna bring to my base. Wait, how did you get the... I got one of the magicals too. And I got one of the magicals too, but someone took mine. Hey! Hey! Tweeter! Did you take my brain rots? No. Soon enough, you're not lying. I know the bird wouldn't take any. Well, okay. Today, we're just playing Still the Brain Rot. But I need my brain rots back. Okay, I'm gonna be locking my base and going to get some. I'm gonna get Fruly Frula. I'm gonna get a magical Ballerina Cappuccino, a powerful Tung Tung Sahur, a Tung Tung Sahur, a Berber Patapim, a Orcolella Orcola, a Fruly Frula, a Madin Din Din Dune, a Madin Din Din Dune, and that's all I got. Now I'm gonna keep my base locked. Well, I'm just gonna collect some. I'm just gonna collect some more brain rots. I'm gonna collect 30 of them. And that's gonna take like about 3 minutes. So I only have 3 minutes to steal our brain rots. I'm gonna get the Ballerina Cappuccino. Tweet, 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 tweet. I'm gonna get the Ballerina Cappuccino, the powerful Tung Tung Sahur, the Berber Patapim, and the Orcolella Orcola. Okay, I collected all of my brain rots. Okay, I'm gonna... Wait, where's some of my brain rots? Where did some of my brain rots go? Hey, Shiley, did you take any of my brain rots? No. Then why'd you say I took yours? Because I didn't know. Well, anyways, it's still the brain rot. Well, at least I'm going to lock my base for now on. I'm locking my base for now on. Once I go get brain rots, I'm locking my base. I'm sure it's you, Tweeter. So I won't be locking my base because it's you, Tweeter. No, it's not. Okay. Is that all of the brain rots from the first floor? Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, I need this. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more brain rots. Okay, I'm gonna steal all of them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got all of her brain rots. Now I can put them on the second floor. Well, hey, where did all of my brain rots go? Well, at least I got new ones. I guess this is the end of the video, right? Tweet, 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 tweet. Okay, it's the end of the game. We could go back together. My name's Tweeter and I don't tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. I kind of don't want to reveal. It was me the whole entire time. Hey guys, it wasn't a birdie. It was me the whole entire time. Suntanning and ow, like and subscribe.